Way 1. How to transfer photos from Huawei to Mac by Coolmuster Android Assistant. Step 1. Upon installation and launch of the software, you may encounter the following toolbox. Initially, please navigate to the Android Assistant module to access Coolmuster Android Assistant. Step 2. Connect your Huawei phone to your Mac using either a data cable or Wi-Fi. Once the connection is successful, you will see the following interface. Step 3. In the left sidebar menu, select Photos to view all the pictures on your phone. Check the photos you want to transfer, then click Export to begin the transfer process. Way 2. How to transfer photos from Huawei to Mac via Android File Transfer. Step 1. Download and install the Android File Transfer software on your Mac computer, then launch it. Step 2. Connect your Huawei phone to your Mac computer using a USB data cable, then select File Transfer mode on your phone. Step 3. Wait for the software to recognize your Huawei phone, then locate your phone's storage space on the software interface and open it. Step 4. In your phone's storage space, locate the folder where your photos are stored, typically the DSIM or Pictures folder, and open it. Step 5. Select the photos you want to transfer to your Mac, then drag them to a folder on your Mac computer to begin the transfer. Way 3. How to transfer photos from Huawei to Mac with Huawei HiSuite. Step 1. Download and install the Huawei HiSuite software on your Mac computer, then launch it. Step 2. Connect your Huawei phone to your Mac computer using a USB data cable, then allow HID mode on your phone. Step 3. Wait for the software to recognize your Huawei phone, then select the Pictures option on the software interface to view all the photos and albums on your phone. Step 4. Select the photos or albums you want to transfer to your Mac, then click the Export button, choose a saving location, and the transfer will begin. Way 4. How to transfer photos from Huawei to Mac through Bluetooth. Step 1. On your Mac computer, open System Preferences and select the Bluetooth option, ensuring that Bluetooth is enabled. Step 2. On your Huawei phone, open Settings, then select the Bluetooth option, ensuring that Bluetooth is enabled. Scan for nearby available devices. Find the name of your Mac computer, click on it, and pair them. Step 3. Accept the pairing request on your Mac computer, input or confirm the pairing code, and establish the Bluetooth connection. Step 4. On your Huawei phone, open the Gallery app, select the photos you want to transfer to the Mac, and then click the Share button. Choose the Bluetooth option, find the name of your Mac computer, click on it, and start the transfer. Way 5. How to transfer photos from Huawei to Mac using Huawei Share. Step 1. On your Mac computer, open System Preferences, then select the sharing option. Ensure that file sharing is enabled, and remember your Mac computer's name and IP address. Step 2. On your Huawei phone, open Settings, then select the Device Connection option. Enable Huawei Share, then click on Multi-Screen Collaboration. Scan for nearby available devices, find your Mac computer's name, and click on it to establish a connection. Step 3. Accept the connection request on your Mac computer, input or confirm the connection code, and establish the Huawei Share connection. Step 4. On your Huawei phone, open the Gallery app, select the photos you want to transfer to the Mac, and then click the Share button. Choose the Huawei Share option, find your Mac computer's name, and click on it to start the transfer. Step 5. On your Mac computer, open Finder, then locate your Huawei phone's name in the sidebar. Click on it to view all folders on your phone. Open the Pictures folder to see the transferred photos. Way 6. How to transfer photos from Huawei to Mac with image capture. Step 1. Connect your Huawei phone to your Mac computer using a USB data cable, then select File Transfer mode on your phone. Step 2. Open the Applications folder on your Mac computer, then find and open the image capture application. Step 3. On the application interface, find the name of your Huawei phone, click on it, and you will see all the photos and videos on your phone. Step 4. Select the photos you want to transfer to your Mac, then choose a destination in the lower right corner, and click the Import or Import All button to start the transfer.